Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm here alive in Chile. Yes, if you were watching my stories on Instagram, you saw that I went to the protest yesterday, and man, was that crazy. That was insane. So make sure you head over to Instagram and watch my stories because there's really a cool story over there about the protests and stuff like that. So head on over to Instagram, right? It's DaVinci J15 is what you're looking for, and that's I'm actually verified, so make sure you do that. You look for the verified DaVinci J15, and then you know you got the right one. Okay, well, people got crushed. If you didn't listen to me, you thought, okay, well, Bitcoin's going up, so it's going up, and I was telling you that, hey, you don't trade, right? Bitcoin on the upside because the trend's your friend till the end. and well, let's take a look. Let's take a look what happened here. Alrighty, let's go to the charts here. What happened now is Bitcoin is now creating what you can see is a nice M pattern. It's actually M's on top of M's if you ask me, right? You got M here. You got M here, you got M here, right? It's clear what Bitcoin wants to do. It's clear as day. Anyone wants to say otherwise, right? Is the betting against what you see is clear patterns here. You can't look at this any other way and say, well, yeah, there's a definite. It's definitely going higher. Definitely going higher. And can, right? We've seen it around the $30,000 mark, right, where we tested the bottoms a few times and pumped up. But this is most likely a breakdown, right? So we have to accept it, right, and trade it as that because that's a trend, right? And so if you added some shorts here, good on you. If you didn't, right, it's a little bit late for that party here. Down here at the POC, you might want to wait for another opportunity, but it might not give you one at this time because you had too many opportunities to get into a short here at a good position. So it's up to you, right? If you want to short from this location. Would I recommend it? No, but you can do it. You can do it. You're just gonna have to hold your shorts, and this might be sometimes at the lower position, right? That means your stop loss, right? You're gonna have to bet a lower amount, right? Because your stop loss has to be this level here, like the 19.95, right? So that's a long way, right? What's the percentage move, right? You're talking a 4% loss, opposed to if you were shorting up here, anywhere in this location, that's a 2%. That's acceptable risk. 1.5%. Okay, so there it is, right? So yeah, and then you're actually in profit right now, right? And you're like shining, like, yeah, man, I got this trade. I got my trade on. Yeah. Well, hopefully you were like that. All right, remember that if you have a Davitar, you could head over to our webpage and check out your rewards, right? I am going to be going to the Financial Summit. If you want to be there, it's on the 1st to the 6th in Bali, right? You come over to this page and you subscribe to, you fill out the form and register for your Financial Summit today. Do it right now. Also, I'm going to be at the AIBC event, so if you want to be there in Malta, check that out as well. Cheers. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum, and wow, Jesus! Every day, this looks like the band is getting tighter and tighter, right? If we undo the, let's just remove all the drawing tools. Yeah, you can see it's slightly tighter than the day before. This is explosive. When we move, whether it go up or go down, it's going to move in that direction. I want you to understand that. It's going to move in that direction. Yeah. There is a chance of a fake out, right? But the odds are we're going to continue in the direction we decide and expand the band through. So if it starts to go down, right, and the bands start to expand, that's where it's going, down. If we start to go up and this bands start to expand, that's where it's going, up. So don't get it twisted. All right, I want to get my support and resistance lines back in. There we go. I think I know it's a little bit messy. I really think the Ethereum really follows these support and resistance lines to the letter. And you can see another fake out here, clear Ming, sorry, here. And you could say that this could turn into a W. And yes, I agree. This can turn into a W just as much as it can turn into a M, right? If we break above there, right, the top there, we could go higher. So keep that in mind as you're trading. And if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to bybit.davincej15.com and to get up to $4,000 bonus. Links are in the description below. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe button as well if you're down there. And thank you very much for watching. That's it for today. Make sure that you trade from a position of strength and don't get wrecked. And mostly, if you're here to buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin, now's the time to buy it. Now is the time to buy. Doesn't matter if it's going to go lower, right? You've dollar cost average all the way down. Don't worry about it. It's going to be the money. No fear. No fear involved. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.